Hi guys, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel and Eid Mubarak to everyone who's watching this video. I'm making a small Eid vlog today as my sister is making delicious biryani and sheer kurma for me today. I love biryani. I mean, she's not yet made it. I'm gonna go help her. So let's see where she has reached. So before I go, I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel. If you guys haven't, please do. And yes, let's go. So guys, we are in the kitchen right now and my sister is making something. Tell us, what are you making?
So we are making sheer kurma and biryani.
So wow.
So this is 1.5 kg chicken. I have marinated this chicken with the masala. This is basically the broiler chicken. And this masala is made by my mom. This is a biryani masala. And she's added coriander, green chilies, ginger, garlic, green chilies, Kashmiri chilies and all the spices to this. It has cloves, peppercorns, mace, cardamoms, a little bit of methi, basically everything. And then she's grinded and made a paste of it. I've applied to the chicken with 200 grams of curd. So I've been marinating this chicken since the past 2 hours. So now it's ready to get cooked.
Okay, let's cook it.
Yeah, so if you all have time, you can marinate it for more time also. Soaked rice, I've soaked this rice in water. This is 2 cups of rice. Okay. Okay. And for the biryani, we have cut onions, tomatoes. This is some finely chopped mint. Since we know that the coriander is not available, so this is the homegrown mint.
Okay, yes,
Yeah,
in our garden.
Yeah, so it's recently grown and we have a very few leaves, so we have taken that also. And this is bay leaf and some peppercorns for the tadka.
And this is
fried onion. Usually people deep fry it. This is shallow fried. I have shallow fried it, obviously, so that we use some less oil. And usually people marinate this onion with the chicken, but I have not marinated. We are going to add it on the top because we like it that way. So I have been boiling a liter of milk over here. This is 1 liter. It's boiled already and it's reduced its quantity also. So now we can make the kheer.
So guys, we are starting with the biryani first because it has to cook and my dad will be coming home soon for lunch.
Okay, so we have taken a heavy bottom pan. So we are going to add oil to it first. Just this amount of oil because we don't make biryani too often, but whenever we make it, we see to that everything is added properly in it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's enough.
Next up.
So once the oil is heated up, we are going to add this.
So guys, I'm going to add the bay leaf and the peppercorn and I know it's going to splutter, so I'm going to throw it and run away. Should I?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yes. Mix it. So meanwhile our milk is ready. So I think we'll add sugar to the kheer.
Okay.
To the kheer kurma. Okay, so
how many spoons?
Add 3 spoons first. One more. Since it's Eid today, we are going to add sugar properly. Usually we don't, but today we can add. You can add more. Roma is making kheer for the first time. Are you excited?
Yes, food vlogger making cooking is not easy. I'm made only to judge food, not to make it.
Okay, so now we are going to add the chopped onions. Okay.
So guys, I'm mixing the onions right now, the chopped onions. After this, we're going to add the chicken and then boil water for the rice.
So now you add the sevaiya. These are the roasted sevaiya. So we are going to directly add it to the milk and let them cook for a while. This is a full fat milk, so it's going to be thick. You don't have to add any milk made or anything. It's going to be thick eventually.
So guys, I got ready especially for this video, but 5 minutes in the kitchen and I'm sweating. And I think I'm going to change while enjoying the biryani because always be comfortable when you're eating your favorite food.
Especially if it's biryani.
And especially if it's biryani.
So the onions are already pink, so we can add the chicken now.
Okay.
So we have added 200 grams of curd in this. If you want, you can add less also. I have added more because I will be taking out rasa. Also, if the masala is less and you feel like adding more, you can add. I have added 5 tablespoons of that masala to this. Oh yeah, I have also added 1 tablespoon of salt in the marination. I forgot to mention that. And later on, when the chicken is done, we can taste and we can add a little more salt if you want. So mix it well properly.
Okay, I'm going to go and tie my hair now because it's getting really hot, and make us something to drink. So guys, my sister has added some water in the remaining masala. Now she's pouring it on top of it, and then she's going to close the lid and allow it to cook for a while.
So I've added a little more sugar to this. You can add it as per your taste. I have added as per mine.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we are going to allow this to boil a bit.
So we are boiling some water on the induction right now. And then what we are doing? We add a little bit of salt.
So guys, I think you can see, I don't know if the camera is catching it, but the milk has changed its color.
In the meanwhile, let's check the chicken.
So I've increased the flame and I'm closing the lid and letting it cook for a while.
Okay.
So guys, you can see the chicken is 50% cooked. I'm going to add all the masala to this because as I mentioned, we want the rasa also, and we want the chicken biryani to be a little bit spicy also. Sorry. I'm going to add a little bit of water in this.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are adding the elaichi powder. Roma doesn't like it, yeah, but we do. Stir it, and we are also going to add, some dry fruits.
The water is boiled, and now we're going to add the rice.
The soaked rice. And then the remaining rice gets cooked with the biryani, obviously. So yeah, I'll check and add some more some more sugar if required, and I'm also going to add a pinch of salt once I turn off the flame because it gives a better taste to the kheer. I know it's a sweet dish and you're not supposed to add salt to it, but
salt somehow improves the taste.
Yeah, and we always add a pinch of salt. The sugar is perfect. I just have to add a little bit of salt.
So guys, if you all want detailed recipes of it, my sister has a page on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description below where she puts such recipes.
Yes, and I'm also going to add the exact quantity of the masala, biryani masala in it.
There will be a link in bio.
So now add the chopped tomatoes.
Next,
give it a nice stir and close the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll also remove the rasa.
See you in the next 15 minutes. The lid is hot. This is our sheer kurma right here. So guys, update time. The sheer kurma is ready.
Yes.
The dessert is ready.
So as I said, I'm going to turn off the flame
and then add a pinch of salt.
A pinch, guys, literally a pinch. So we are going to close the lid. It's done. Yeah, we are straining the rice. It's ready. It's 80% cooked. So the chicken is almost done. I'll check the taste and add more salt if required. So guys, just see to that you add a little bit more salt in the chicken, because when you add the rice, it's going to be just perfect.
So we are going to remove some rasa from the chicken so that we can enjoy it later with the rice. So guys, the rasa
has been removed. I'm going to add a little bit of pudina to it.
So my sister has equally spread the chicken in the kadai. Now she's going to add the rice. So now we're adding some food color on the rice. And next up, the caramelized onion.
Some pudina. Usually I add a lot of coriander leaves, but today since there are no coriander leaves, we are adding this.
And now we're going to close the lid and let the biryani cook.
No, we are going to add some oil on top.
Okay.
You can also add a spoon of ghee.
Homemade ghee.
Sorry. That's it. Just look at it.
Then now close the lid and let it cook on the tawa.
We are going to take this off first. So we are going to cook it on high flame for 10 minutes and then on a low flame for 20 minutes.
And then devour it.
Yes.
So guys, the biryani is ready and I'm going to ask my sister to open it for me. So Tanvi, please come here and open it for me. Wow! Guys, let's eat. I'm very hungry. Smells so good. So guys, after enjoying the biryani, I still have some space in my stomach left for the sheer kurma, which is prepared by my sister Tanvi.
And you.
Okay. Amazing. If you guys want a detailed recipe of this, please follow my sister's page on Instagram, Tanu Streets. There will be a link in the description below. And with this, I would like to end my video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please let me know your Eid experiences, what you guys did today in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.